We are keeping an eye on Wall Street for you this morning. Of course, the market has now been open for just over 30 minutes or so.
The Dow rebounding after fears of the coronavirus caused it to drop 2,000 points yesterday. And Roseanne is live with more at the Chicago Board of Trade. Hey, Roseanne.
Good morning. You know, last hour we had a conversation about the panic among investors after yesterday's stock market freefall. A lot of folks having a really tough time with their 401ks. Of course, if your life savings is tied into that investment or a 401k, it was really a nervous day. So we want to continue that conversation with Scott Bauer now from Prosper Trading. And Scott, what do you make of today's open?
Well, you know, it's a fairly strong open. I'm looking at the live markets right now. S&Ps are up about 88 points or so, which is a little less than half of what we lost yesterday. But, you know, investors, just like yesterday, you know, when the panic set in and they have to remove themselves, same thing right now. It's great. Everybody loves to see the green right now. But if you're a long-term investor, you're looking at your 401k, you know, just don't do that. Don't panic, right? Don't be a day trader. Be an investor, and an investor means longer term. And if you put it in relative terms, the market is about the same place as it was just over a year ago. So, you know, if people are looking and saying, oh my God, what just happened? Put it into perspective.
And just quickly, economic stimulus, the president, there are a couple of ideas being floated.
Yeah.
What do you think is the key here?
So I think that's a really good idea. We haven't seen exactly what's going to happen, but I think that the payroll, you know, big benefits that they're going to get, these tax cuts, I think are going to be great. It will definitely relieve people's minds. There's a lot more that they can do. The Fed is kind of in a position where they don't have a lot what they can do. So stimulus coming out of the administration is really what's going to help this.
Okay, well, Scott Bauer, thank you so much for joining us today. So a little bit more optimism today. I think the frayed nerves from yesterday may be calming down just a bit. Outside the Chicago Board of Trade, Roseanne Tejas, Fox 32 News. Back to you.